3, 2, 1, hit it. 50, left 5, opens and tightens to 4 minus, into small crest, into right 4 minus, over crest long, 70. Left 6, 120, then stay right over crest, 150, then left 4 plus, 70. Crest 150, then turn right 4 tightens. Turn right 4 tightens, into small crest 70. And right 5 plus 50, then left 4 plus, very long. Then right 5 minus long, 100. And long crest, 150. Right 5 plus over small crest, 70. Small crest into left 5 plus, 180. Left 5 very long and loose, 100. Right 5 plus over small crest. Right 5 plus here, 50, then left 4 plus. Into right 6. 30, and left 4 long, into crest, 70, then right 4 plus long, into small crest, 120.
There we go. God damn, we got the wrong gear.
Okay. Right 4 minus, loose and very long, into left 5 minus loose, 200. Left 5 minus loose, 200. Left 4 plus, 100. Left 4 loose, and right 5 plus long, 50. Then right 4 minus, very long, into small crest, 50. And small crest, 70. Then left 6, 70. And right 5 plus loose, into small crest, 70. Then left 5 plus long opens, and tightens 4 minus loose. Then right 6, 70. And right 6 over long crest, 70. And crest 200. Then slowing right 5 minus into left 4 minus loose. Into small crest, into right 3 long. Right 3 long coming out, 50. Left 4 long and loose, into small crest, 120. Then left 4 minus long and loose, 50. And right 5 minus long. Tightens 4 long, over small crest, 70. And left 4 minus. Into right 4 long and loose, 50. Then crest 200, correction, crest 100. Left 4 minus, 30. And right 4, 100. Then left 5 minus long, 100. Small crest, 120. Left 4 plus long, 180. Then right 3 long. Up there's a right 3 long, 70. Turn left 4, 50. That's a turn, left 4, 50. And crest 100. Then left 5, stay out, 50. Tighter now. Left 5 plus, stay out, 50, 250. Then long, small crest, care 20, right 3. And 30. Then left 5 short. Into right 3 narrow. turn, 50. Then right 4 plus, opens over small crest, long, 70. Crest into left 4 long, opens, 30. And left 5 minus short, 70. Then stay left over crest, 70, and right 5. Into left 6 plus, 70. Then right 4 plus over crest, loose, 50. Then right 6 plus over small crest, 30. Right 6 plus again, 50. Then right 4 plus, loose. Into right 4 plus over small crest. Into left 4 long. Into right 6, 30. And left 6 plus over small crest, 50. Right 6 plus over small crest, 50. Right 5. Here's your right 5, then left 6, 50. And hair slowing left 5 short into right 5 short, 50. Left 4 plus late, 100. Then right 4 plus long over finish into left 4, 70.